Okay, everyone. Time to kill Green Goblin and Christina. And look, there's that stupid. There's that stupid car right over there. Look at that stupid car. And now here comes stupid Green Goblin truck. Stupid smile on his stupid ass face. Yep, you're right, Rick. This is going to be torture trying to kill a sentient truck. Also, since you guys chose to ground me and Morty, which was a bad thing. So guess what? Don't even think about it, Rick. We know exactly what you're going to do. You're going to attempt to make a grounded video out of all of us. That's right. Me and Morty are going to attempt to make a grounded video out of all of you guys. What? We didn't do anything to you, Rick. You know what, Rick? I'm starting to think that the only reason we chose to unground you just so you can help us destroy and kill Green Goblin truck. Look, Rick. Come on, Rick. We're supposed to be friends. We can talk this out already. Look, I don't even trust Rick. Obviously, Rick, I don't trust, because he's obviously horrible to all of us. Come on, Shay, he's our friend. Okay, fine. But Rick, he is still obviously someone who's bad. Dude, we're more than happy to ground you. First off, how would you like it if me and Morty made a grounded video out of all of you guys? That moment, please, to throw this giant donut around you and Morty. Also, how would you like it if me and Morty grounded you guys for nothing? Oh, see? Then for we can't ground Rick, because he's older than us. Plus, he's our grandfather. Ugh. I can't believe we grounded Rick just for nothing. Exactly, and since you guys grounded me and Morty and our friend Beavis and Butthead, so guess what? We are going to make a sequel where you guys get grounded for grounding us in return. Haha, how would you like that? Well, we didn't do anything to you, Rick. That's right. You guys are grounded for nothing. But Rick, we're serious. I wasn't during that event. Oh, really? Rick, she has a point. She wasn't there to stop us on Beavis and Butthead for destroying a semi-truck. Okay, fine. Except for Zuzu. Since she didn't do anything to us, therefore she's not grounded forever. Can we please get this over with, Rick? We don't want to be stuck. Instead of fighting Christina or Green Goblin, obviously, we're going to spend this entire episode arguing who should be grounded. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. We'll get back to the point. Killing Green Goblin truck and Christina.